Sometimes when I'm feeling down, I remember the old Chinese proverb. In sometimes the life ultimately must have, in the life does not have when not demands.
Hey GX community, welcome back and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2026 with one of my very first videos that I wanted to share with you. But before we even do that, I wanted to share an email I received from a viewer. I thought it was pretty interesting, so I thought maybe sharing it with you guys would help make you understand why I shot the video the way I did. So it says, hey GX Bob, love the content. I'm not going to go through the whole entire email with you, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to keep it short. So pretty much the person said, I am a professional vlogger and I thought I could help you out making your videos more professional. Try using different angles instead of permanently placing your camera in the same spot throughout your beginning and ending monologues. By capturing different angles, you provide cinematic flair, make it more visually appealing, and helps hold the audience's attention. So for this video, I am going to try just that. Thank you, TKHD136_. Let's go ahead and start the video. A couple months ago, I showcased an affordable alternative to a spare tire carrier. Most of us don't have $1,000 to pick up a nice bumper swing out version, so we resorted to something that was less than $80 and was suitable for light trails and daily driving. But when you buy affordable alternatives, you might run into quality and functional issues. Each individual GX owner has to decide if these quality and functional issues are deal breakers or not. Can we live with them or can we actually fix them? I ran into two issues I thought I'd share with you so you guys can be aware and decide if they are deal breakers or not. Issue number one, I kept hearing soft, clunky noises from the rear of my truck every time I pass over a speed bump. I thought it was my rear suspension, so I went underneath my truck and retorqued every single component I did when I did my lift. But the clunk was still there. I finally found the culprit. It was the loose tolerance between the tire carrier arm and the tow hitch receiver. There is this 1/4 inch gap. So I went out to my local home improvement store and picked up a pack of composite shims. These shims are the perfect thickness, perfect width, and the perfect length. We need to keep this length long in order to be able to pull it out whenever we need to collapse the tire carrier. After installing that shim and driving it around for a while, the noise completely went away. My tire carrier doesn't shake anymore. It's more solid now. Problem solved. But I still find myself coming back here once in a while to ensure that that shim did not come loose. The last thing you want is for that shim to be flying out of its socket on the freeway and going through the windshield of a 2005 Toyota Sienna and killing the driver and veering the van off a freeway overpass. I'm not so concerned that we just killed a family in a Toyota Sienna. I'm more concerned that the family might be from India, and those people don't take revenge lightly. They'll come after you. Issue number two. I go to Costco a lot, like a lot. And every time I open up my tailgate, I have to go through a sequence of steps. Release the clasp, pull out the pin, place the pin on the bumper, lower the tire, pick up the pin, open the tailgate, place the pin back on the bumper, then you load your groceries. After you're done loading your groceries, pick up the pin, close the tailgate, place the pin back on the bumper. While holding the tire, pick up the pin, slide the pin through the hole, lock the clasp, and then you're done. Mind you, you have to do that when you get to Costco, and you have to do that when you get home to unload the groceries. And there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and my lessons learned, giving you guys a little sneak peek on what it takes to buy affordable things. Peace out, guys.
Đầu đôi